and then I think of all the times you screwed me over. But you didn't have to cut me off.
Damn, Big Heart shot this too.
Ayy, don't butt deal with, we swerving. It was stolen cars, I was hopping out with my Glock trying to give me a murder. Come on, now we in them tennis Suburbans. Pulling up in all black jets for the Glock to match her purses. Come on, been going body for body. Fuck that, I'm trying to stack up the profit, I love it. I was 13 running around like a rurry. I'm trying to numb all the pain where the drugs at. Gucci, Louis, spin it, blew it. Remember when them days when I couldn't even do it. I ain't even need a nigga back then. President, he turned red, I knew it.
We thought it was dead. Well, that's that. That's 10 years of crap and junk. Thanks to Sean King. If you ever need anything hauled out, hit up Sean King. Give me a good price and haul all this out for me. Because my little ass trailer wasn't going to do that. There she go. 10 years worth of shit. But we out.
Oh, because I don't want all that glass to be in the backyard. My kids and his kids play back here.
The gas.
Honestly, we could hold the side skirt.
Crazy, huh? Sos, come here. Oh, hit that. Give it a good whack. Right there. Yeah! Yeah, good job. Daddy's turn. We don't need this quarter panel, right? Psych! We don't need it no more! Let's just beat these together right here. Some swings. Don't hit the glass.
Oh, shit.
I want to, but I live here.
Just taking all the anger that he wants to at his.
Ooh, that sounds like a drum. That's a good one, huh?
This is a small ass fucking hit.
He's going windshield on that one.
Hey, you need that, Matt. Whenever y'all are ready.
Do I remove this tire?
Yeah. Go ahead. Get it. Oh! What the fuck? What's the gas tank, huh?
Gas tank.
Wow, gas tank's strong. Strong on.
$1,000 for best offer, straight roll. That's what I got.
Roller.
We made a perfect upgrade.
Stroller. Goddamn hiccups. You got her. There you go. Oh shit. Got some cams out.
Exhaust, no, intake.
Yep.
Exhaust.
Yep.
Them Type R cams, boy.
I'm gonna need those back actually.
Oh, those right there.
Yep. Pop all those hosies out. We'll probably leave all that on. Your valve cover. I have a valve cover. You just have to get a different timing about it, I think. Because it's going to be a mini-me then. Because you're taking a non-VTEC and you're making a VTEC.
I'll do one exhaust driver that has VTEC.
I'm gonna hold that now.
Hey, look.
No, it's funny.
All these cars are just
The
timed.
one time my boosted Civic blew up was when Josh was riding with me, and it was the most dumb thing. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Homie cursed. Wasn't it like the alternator wire like arced off the?
Yeah.
It was so long ago. Or starter wire.
Yeah, impact.
Yeah, get the rest off.
That's okay. That thing going in lit mode, it was a wire arcing and grounding
This same simple, right?
Yeah. Got a magnet? Got a magnet?
It's one of those things. You just don't.
That was something.
We're building a fucking jet car, and they just leave the beat up fenders on it. You're gonna go out eventually. It's a shame too because it's such a straight body. Like there's no dent on the entire body except the front. Turns it into a jet car. Turns it into a jet car. Get fucked. Some old 60-year-old guy is gonna walk up and be like, why would you really want to have one of these in high school?
You don't get that often.
I mean, in the drift community, they'll come up and be like, dude, that's rad as fuck. You know? Because when I went to my first drift event, everybody was nice as fuck there, you
So
know?
my vision with the fiber, you keep seeing like all the black C5 Corvettes on fucking
Oh, yeah.
TikTok with the VSKFs and stuff. I'm like,
That would be sick.
with the fiber. Yes, yes,
Do we have another one of these rags? Bryce, you got another one of these rags?
No.
Grab that carpet.
Have one single dirty rag.
That one. Where do you want to use the carpet?
Yeah, just probably put it on the floor. Alright. Moment of truth. I mean, we put the thing in there. Just go straight up with it because of the.
Come on, Bryce. Lift it up, the block or the head.
There you go. We lift it back and forth together. There you go.
Bitch.
Go up together. There you go. There you go.
Hold on. Go back down.
There you go. Go up, straight up. To your head. What's it? Oh.
looks
Which one
good.
is it? This one?
Yeah. No, wait. This one. Number 1.
No, it's this one.
That was number 1, wasn't it?
This one right here. You got a little bit of scoring, but we could probably clean that up.
I thought it was number 1.
That is one. One's closest to the timing. Oh, those are good. Mother trucker. Go ahead, you trucker.
Whole lot of brother.
That's cold.
Shit.
I can't see nothing, mate. We about to tow BB Black 2's Del Sol to the shop. It's kind of dark, you can't see. The light's got it. There it goes. That full.
Might be a little low, but he gonna be okay. Must be the Granite Peak one.
Get close, What kind of rope you got?
We almost fucked up, Josh.
What?
The target top wasn't like locked in.
Oh.
So I locked it.
Yeah.
Going down the road just flies off.
I took it off because it gets hot. But it was hot when we towed it.
Yeah. I'm definitely glad we have it now. It's cold as fuck out here.
Damn! Who's gonna be faster? You put that VTEC head on, you'll be identical.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm racing for pinks, it's okay.
Hopefully this guy has it. He's gonna let me know if he still has it.
Oh yeah.
But if not, I can still get a built Y8 block.
Hell yeah.
I have another VTEC head. First, I'm gonna see what's wrong with this. Like, I haven't really just trying to start it yet.
I've never flat towed with a ratchet strap though. That's redneck as fuck. It's made out of the same stuff.
Yeah.
I've always used chain.
Same stuff. The chain I have is short though. You'd have been extra fucking paranoid.
You're right, at that point I wouldn't have
Last night, the chain last night? Remember last night?
I wish I didn't leave that fucking tow chain in Denver. Yeah. Oops. Nah, if you had just that small chain to flat tow this, I'd be making him fucking do it. I'd steal his keys and lock myself in his car. His car's still running. I'm gonna sit in that bitch. Looking for a two-door Acura, 92, 91.
DA? Yeah, that should look good, kinda. the headquarters. We're gonna pull this old girl in there. We're gonna pull this old girl up in there. Hopefully Dom's home. Somebody might be home. I see some lights on. But we're gonna pull this old girl up in there and give it all rub down. Well, we got a couple days until my storage unit's up, so whoop, we get the last bit out of it out. Not much, but I got half it cleared out.
I didn't want to take it off the hard hat, so I just said, fuck it, I'm putting it on.
But backup arrived. So we're gonna get this popping. How hard was the install?
Not hard. We stole the O2 sensor off his car.
Guess you just throw that header. I have another D series header in here somewhere.
We stole that O2 sensor off the other one.
Yeah, that's what you're saying.
Hey, if it works, it works.
We have that other header that his buddy gave him for his.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, the 4 to 2 to 1.
Yep. Forgot you had
I'll
one.
probably give him that 4 to 1 when we turbo the.
Yours.
Mine
Did you hear
also.
us leaving the neighborhood over
No,
there?
I want that. I'm gonna buy the header back.
Damn it!
Yep, I want that shit back.
So you're just, it's being lent to you right
Yeah,
now.
you're being lent.
I'm renting the owner.
You're renting. Yeah.
You're just borrowing it. It ain't yours.
All right, we're gonna knock this out. Oh, we're trying to hurry back to the shop. We got 30 minutes, really 20 minutes to drop this off. Run back to the shop, get another load, and then that's it for 10 o'clock.
My K5 headlights look like have a little hint of blue in it.
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah, it's hard to get it on a picture, but yeah, it does have a hint of blue.
I wish I got the GT line to have those bottom lights.
Yeah.
And then the full light strip on the rear, and then like the moon roof, heated seats, heated steering.
Maddie back there watching the trailer.
And then some of them come with a bigger display screen.
But we'll record when we get back to the shop. Like, what? What'd you say?
Should we chop off the flange and weld it onto the header, or should we just chop off the flange and weld it to the header?
Valid question. We will probably chop off another flange off something else to match whatever flange we're going to use. So you can still make it separable.
Alright.
Take it apart still. Same with the rear. We're going to make an exhaust right now for your car. Custom. With K. What? Fuck. So we got all this fucking junk. Oh!
Hey,
What up?
double vision.
Double vision. Hey. Dude, I made it back there. 10:56. Rolled up in there. No motherfucker was staring at me driving in. Out of the way. Drove in there. This fool. Bryce and them couldn't make it in. They were locked in.
Yeah, I know, because they stayed back there and talked with us for fucking however long.
Motherfuckers. Yeah. It's like, fuck, somebody needs to be here so I can
You got to do that shit by yourself, huh?
I just popped the 2 dirt bikes on, strapped them down, took them to the house. All that's left is just hoods, couple seats, and those 2 big things. A couple boxes here and there. I ain't gotta pay for that shit no more. That's $180 out of my pocket. Jeez, I had to give them fucking. Look, this is the Trey Farron block.
Oh, for my old car?
Yeah, for everybody's old Teggy.
I was telling him the story.
Yeah.
Nope, that was mine.
Yeah, that was bad. At least the block is. The head is going on to be in the soul. So LSV Tech.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
With a supercharger.
LSV Tech Supercharge. Turbo.
That'd be cool.
I think that's the goal for the soul for this summer. LSV Tech Supercharge. Turbo, baby.
Is that a secondary
That's for the supercharger. We gotta take it. Yeah, I need this whole piece.
Okay.
So we gotta swap it from yours.
I'm taking everything off.
It's all new.
How's that oil pump?
New.
I guess that one's new, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just keep mine.
That's fine.
I'm gonna take everything off. You can have it.
I mean, that oil pump probably has 20 miles on it. Dustin drove it. That's it.
Nothing wrong with it?
We rebuilt it that night. New oil pump, new water pump, everything. And the next day, Dustin drove it, and
That's pretty stiff. Is that good?
you don't want it too loose. How's yours feel? Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah, you want them stiff. You don't want
Which
them
one?
too loose.
Oh, why do they look?
Do they same teeth count?
I don't know, but this one looks good. I'm gonna just go with this.
I would count the teeth first. Each one. Remember, you had that problem with Dustin's?
That's different.
Somewhere.
Well, if I go with the same one that has everything on it, so I don't really would have that problem. If I'm just taking everything from this block to this one.
Yeah. Hopefully. I'd count the teeth though, just to make sure.
Josh, yeah, we've already. Does that side go first, or does the other one go first?
Go where the hangers go.
Okay.
I'm thinking like that. Yeah. We got this fool over here. Update on B2B. Damn, look at the head on this motherfucker.
That's all you.
Look at that. Yeah, B2 Bryce 2 working on his Del Sol over there. Look at him. Me and Matt gonna go through all this junk. We're gonna go to his computer room and get high real quick. Come back out here and organize for another hour. I'm going home to bed. We're finally out. What time is it? 2:36. Funny, we got the mid pipe on. Still got to do the S pipe and the exhaust. But we out this mug.
Peanut butter jelly on the inside, I gave it. Overseas, I'm a household name, nigga, I made it. I'm the person that I used to pray to be when I was the old me. Appreciate, don't hate, use me as motivation. They was on the floor waiting on me to fall in 4 years in, I still ain't follow. Nigga went broke tryna ball. CM's up, ain't nothing but 6 feet tall. Run it up, stack it and do it again. Get so much money, don't need a friend. Shitting on niggas wherever, whoever. Don't even give a fuck who I offend. Remember, say no to drugs, kids, but I'ma smoke to this. Put you and you and you and you in the blunt. I'm on some open shit. Smoking on them tonight. Rolling our pack all night. This thing kill them in the flesh. We cook them niggas at life. Make sure you roll them up tight. Make sure you roll them up right. so we can puff all night. Cause we smoking our pack for life. Smoking on them tonight. Rolling our pack all night. If I ain't kill them in the flesh, we cook them niggas at life. Make sure you roll them up tight. Make sure you roll them up right. So we can puff all night. Cause we smoking our